another Limits Bushcraft and Survival. Hope everyone's well today. Okay, waterproofing your gear then. So it can be expensive. There's many ways to try and do it. You know, you've got your waterproof spray in a can. You know, if you're got the patience for it, mix boiled linseed oil with white spirit. But again, you know, that comes with its own hazards. You've also got things like your waterproof wax as well, which is purposely designed for, you know, gear. Or if you want to do it on the cheap and do it incredibly quickly, let's have a look. The 1958 patent webbing was issued to soldiers from 1958 and up sort of right to the back end of the 80s and the early 90s. And the one thing I'm going to concentrate on today is the poncho roll. Now I usually use this for my ghillie veil, and it just attaches to the top of my Bergen. But those who know this stuff, it was notorious for getting wet. It would absorb water and then it would just get super heavy. So what we need for this little project is either, you know, a tea candle that we may have, or, you know, just snap down some spare wax or whatever. And then what you'll need then is a heat gun or a hairdryer. Now all we're doing for this is get this, and then what we're then doing is stretching the material out, and then we're just rubbing it in, and that's what it should start looking like. So what you'll need is either a heat gun, and please just put this on low setting. If it's a hairdryer, put it on high setting. And then what you then can see is just this darker patch where the wax is melted. Now what you can actually do just to aid this is heat the platform first. And then it should just go on a lot easier. And then do it again. Cue montage. Right, so as you can see, most of it's done. I've just got these blank spots, but I've done that for a reason. So let's go for it. See where I've just done, because that's still warm, and then you can see the distinct colour difference between these two, where I've not done that one yet, but I have done this. And then when you come down, you can see the exact lane where I've not done. And then what this does as well, it allows you to sort of have a look to to see if you've missed any patches that you can just go over again. So this is it now, all fully waxed up. We'll test it shortly. Next. So what you can also do is do it with your clothing as well. I've just got a pair of old combats here from work. I'm going to do one leg up sort of like mid-calf size, put some water on it, and then we'll put the water on the other side. So this is the 1958 patent bum roll that I've done earlier on. So just to show you. So it's all beaded, and then if I lift it, it just rolls straight off. So this is the combat trousers I've done before. Yeah, and then it just rolls straight off. This is the untreated leg. As you can see, it just absorbs straight in. So there you go, quick, cheap, easy, hairdryer on high, heat gun on low. Be careful you're doing it again, because it does blow hot air. If it does go too hot, it may start to smoke a little bit. So if that's the case, safety announcement, just stop what you're doing and just let it cool off a little bit. Give it a go. You know, what can go wrong? Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.